Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator 16 power 7 minus 16 power 6. Now we can have 16 power 7 is simply 6 plus 1 minus 16 power 6. Now if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So applying this identity here, what we are going to have is 16 power 6 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 6. So there is 16 power 6 here, there is 16 power 6 here, we can factor that out. Of 16 power 6 times, divide this by 16 power 6, you have 16 minus 16 power 6, divide 16 power 6, you have 1. So from here, you have 16 power 6 times 16 minus 1, you have 15. So we are going to find out the value of 16 power 6 times 15. Now remember, we have 16 equals 4 power 2, that is 4 times 4. And 4 is 2 power 2, so we have 2 power 2, or power 2, and that is 2 power 4. So we can simply replace 16 here with 2 power 4, and this is raised to the power of 6 times 15. Now also, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. Applying that here, we have 2 power 4 times 6, that is 24 times 15. Now I can express this as 2 power 20 plus 4, because 20 plus 4 is 24, times 15. Now if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So from here we have 2 power 20 times 2 power 4 times 15. So I can also express this 2 power 20 as 2 power 10 times 2 times this is 2 power 4 times 15. Now remember, a power n times n equals a power n all to the power of n. So we apply that here, we have 2 power 10 raised to the power of 2 times 2 power 4 times 15. So from here, 2 power 10 is simply 2 power 5 all to the power of 2, and 2 power 5 is 32 raised to the power of 2, and 32 raised to the power of 2 is 1024. So 2 power 10 is 1024, we have 1024 power 2 times 2 power 4 is 16 times we have 15. Now 1024 power 2, I can express it as 1000 plus 24 raised to the power of 2 times 16 times 15. Now remember, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this is a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab, and our a is 1000, b is 24. So that means we are going to have 1000 squared plus 24 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24. Then this will multiply 16 times 15. So from here, 1000 squared, we are going to have 1 million plus 24 squared, that is 576, plus 2 times 1000, 2000 times 24. We have 48,000 times 16 times 15. So you add 576 to 48,000, that is 48,576. So you have 1 million plus 48,576, you have 1,48,576 times 16 times 15. So let's multiply this out first. So we have 1,048,576 times 16. 6 times 6, 36, 6 carried by 3. 6 times 7, we have 42. 42 plus 3, 45. So we have 5 and carry over 4. 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 4 carry over 3. 6 times 8, that is 48. 48 plus 3, that is 51. 1 carry over 5. 6 times 4, 24 plus 5, 29. 9 carry over 2. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 2, we have 2. 6 times 1, we have 6. Now we have 1 times 6. We have 6, 1 times 7. 7, 1 times 5. 5, 1 times 8. 8, 1 times 4. 4, 1 times 0. 0, 1 times 1. We have 1. So let's add up together. So this will simply give us 6. This is 11. 1 carried by 1 add here. 5 plus 7. That will give you 12. So you have 2 carried by 1 add here. This is 7. Then 9 plus 8, that is 17. 7 carried by 1 add here. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. Then you have 1. Now, the next thing we are going to do will be to multiply this by, what do we have here? 15 to get our final answer. So we have, this is 16,777,216 times 15 for our final answer. So we have 5 times 6, 30. 0 carried over 3. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 times 2, 10. So you have 0 and carry over 1. Then you have 5 times 7, 35 plus 1, 36. So you have 6 and carry over 3. 5 times 7 again, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. 8 and carry over 3. 5 times the last 7, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. 8 and carry over 3. 5 times 6, that is 30. 30 plus 3, that is 33. 3 and carry over 3. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3, that is 8. So you make use of 1. 1 times 6. You have 6. 1 times 1. 1, 1 times 2. 1 times 7. 7, 1 times 7 again. 7, 1 times 7 again. 7, 1 times 6. 6, 1 times 1. You have 1. Then you add up everything together. This is 0. This is 14. 4 carry over 1 add here. This is 2. This is 8. This is 15. 5 carry over 1 add here. 9. 9 plus 8. That is 16. 6 carry over 1 add here. That is 4 plus 7. 11. 1 carry over 1 add here. That is 9. 9 plus 6. That will give you 15. 5 carry over 1 add here. That is 2. So what we are getting as our final answer is 258,658,240. So guys, impressively, 16 power 7 minus 16 power 6 is 251,658,240. So guys, this is it, and this is how you can do it without the use of calculator. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.